Hello everyone, good morning. In this video, I am going to demonstrate you how to use an Excel uh, to create a pivot table and graph from that pivot table. Okay, so we are using Excel only, but in this Excel we have option that Excel is giving this facility to create a pivot table from the raw data. So if you see here, I have these two columns here. What is my purpose to create a pivot table using this option? Like if this is a skill, how many are agree that with this skill they are assigned to the project? Okay, I want to see the count. How many are saying that agree? How many are saying not agree? Okay, total count. And using that pivot table, I want to create a nice graph which is good in the look and feel. Okay, so first thing I'm going to create, first thing I'm going to do is to create a pivot table. For that, you have to select the columns. You want to create a pivot table, and then if you see here insert option, click on the insert and click on that pivot table. It will open one wizard. By default in the wizard, because you have selected two columns, it will show the range there in the input box. That range you selected is A and B, and then where you want to create a pivot table, in a new workbook or in the existing workbook. So I selected the new one. So when I selected that new and click on the OK, it will create a new worksheet for me. Just give me some name here like pivot. Okay, fine. Now if you see in this worksheet, because I selected that two columns, the column details comes here. What is my requirement? I want to check that how many said yes, no, agree, disagree for each skill and the collective values. So for that, I will select first the stream on column. Okay, because these are the skills where I want to select how many people are giving response and what is the count of the response. Okay, fine, like this. I don't want blank, remove this. So this is how I got a pivot table. So if you see total count is 922, correct. If you want, go and check here, 923 including header. If I exclude that, total value is 922. Total response is 922. In this total response, how many are saying I am agree, how many are saying disagree or neutral or strongly agree? That total value is also showing here, and individual skill also, what is the count of that each option we can see. So pivot table is ready. Now what is the second things I want to create? I want to create a graph. Okay, or you can say some chart using this pivot table. So let me save this work what I have done till now. Now let's go to the graph here. Okay, what I will do, just copy this value. Okay, then how many are saying agree, how many are saying agree, just paste it. How many said strongly agree? Just copy this, strongly agree. Because to create a graph, what I need first the percentage. Using that one, using that percentage value, I'm able to create a different type of graphs. Setter graph, cluster, pie chart, whatever you want to create, you can create using the option that we are getting in the Excel. Okay, so just I copy paste it here. Okay, and then so my data is ready. So this is not pivot, because pivot, if I want to do the same thing is pivot sometime have lot of restrictions. So just I copied all the data in separate sheet. Okay, which is not a pivot. Now what I have to do, I have to take the percentage. So strongly agree is 62 out of 170. So how to take percentage? B4, if you see here, B4 by G4. Okay, what is this? G4. So B4 by G4. Then same way, what is So this is what strongly agree. Again, if you see here, C4, what is C4? This one by G4 170. So this is what how you can take get the percentage for each box. Okay, no need to paste like that. This is fine. Okay, here I don't need this thing. So already the if you see here, for each box I have written. Okay, now I have to fill all the box. For that, simply you have to drag and like this. It filled all the box here. Fine. So now I have the percentage. What next I want to do? I want to create a graph. So when I select it, now see here, when I selected this, Excel is giving me this option. Okay, quick analysis. When I click on that, it is asking me what type of analysis you want to do. My requirement is to create a chat. Here also it will give you some option, like you want to create a clustered stacked bar, you want to create a stacked column, or you want different some other chat option. If you open this, you find out different types of chat you can create using this one. Okay, see, this is the stack bar. If you go, this is the cluster column, this is the funnel, Pareto, like that you can create a different type of chat. So here I am going to show you stack bar. Okay, then I selected this, and if you see, when I selected, it is also highlighting which all you can say the column row I selected or I used to create this graph. Okay, so this is how it will create. Suppose header I want to change, it like this. What is that name? The training provided is useful in the project. Now any formatting you want to do, you can do that formatting also normal by using this home. Okay, if you want to make it bold, you can do that. If you want to change that font type, that also you can do. This is called legend. Okay, see, this is the legend. This is also, if you want, you can change the legend position. So here the legend, it is showing the bottom. If I want, I can show in the top. I want to show it into the left, I want to show it to the right, like that. But here for me, bottom is looking fine. Okay, so it is in the bottom. Now second thing is this one, format axis. So I want it to only to show till 100. Okay, so this is showing till 100. Okay. These are all my skills, and with the skills I can see that, okay, this much is strongly agree. Okay, and this much is strongly, you can say, disagree. All the data you can see. If I want to change the color, fine, that is also you can do. Suppose I want to change this, because this strongly agree, I want to make it very much green. For this one, agree, I want to make light green, like that color. I also neutral. Okay, fine, I want to give yellow. For disagree, or you want to give light some, okay, red. And this one I want to give a deep dark one. Okay, so like that also I can change the color of this. Okay, here if you see, these are the some icon. What are the things you want to do the changes? Suppose I want to add the data label, so you can select this one. You want to add the data table, you can select this. Okay, like that you can do the more formatting here. Okay, if color you want to change, these are the options you are getting. What type of color you want to change, what type of style you want to give. Okay, and here, like, you can see which option, if you don't want or hide something, you can do like this. So this is a simple demo where I have given I have given in this video, uh, in that capture how you can create a pivot table from the data, and how you can create a graph from the that pivot table. different type of chat. So thanks for watching this video. Happy learning, and if you like this video, please subscribe my account.